All right, lesson 4.1, scatter plots. So up till now, what we've been dealing with is equations and inequalities, things that produce clear lines. Here is a scatter plot of, well, 3 scatter plots, which means that the data doesn't form a straight line, it forms these little discrete points in sort of semi-random order. Now, if they generally make a line pointing up, you know, there's no straight line there, but you can kind of imagine, a line going through here, connecting the dots. That's a positive, because that line is pointing up. If that line points down, it's a negative. And if you cannot draw a sensible line, there is no correlation. So there's either a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or no clear correlation. And this would be things like the more you speed, the more tickets you get. The more days out of school you are, the lower your grades get. And this would be like the number of shoes sold depending on the day of the week. Like, it doesn't line up at all. There's people just buy shoes at random. So there's no correlation there, but there's a positive correlation here and a negative correlation here. So when something increases, the second thing decreases. Like the number of days out of school increase, grades suffer. Number of times you speed in a week increases your chances of getting a ticket in that week. Something like that. That is essentially this entire first lesson. 4.1 is the line of best fit is this imaginary line I've drawn. That that's why it's not imaginary anymore because I drew it. But that line that connects all the dots is called the line of best fit, and you can use it to predict a missing data point. There's an example here in example 1, I think, where they say, guess the grade. It's a negative chart like this, and they say, guess the grade of a kid who missed 5 days, and the answer is 60, because it's you just count over to the 5 and you look up, and where there's no dot there is the number 60. That's it for 4.1. It's not much.